ठीक है, रहूंगा तो परमानेंट ना।
स्टार्ट माय वीडियो করবো।
Hi.
हेलो।
Hello,
या
Mrs. Roy.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
फॉरगॉट।
Mrs. Roy, आप नजर नहीं आ रहे मुझे.
क्यों?
Your video is not on.
ओके ओके।
हाँ जी. पहचान लिया मैंने आपको, but I can't see you. Good evening, Mr.
Okay.
Bhamri.
Good evening, Ritu. How are you?
এটা কোন
I am good.
অন করতে হবে বলছে।
Good evening, Mr. Ranjit. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you doing, Ritu?
Good, all well.
हाँ यस।
Good evening, auntie. कैसे हैं आप? Now I can see you.
यस। हाँ
Mr. Ranjit, we'll just wait for a few minutes to let all the elders join in.
Yeah, sure. No issues.
हाँ शुरू हो गया।
And
हाँ हाँ शुरू।
I don't know, we have some new people who've joined in.
Few people. I think my mom has also joined in.
Yes, I think I have one with your name and one with Malaika.
Yeah, Malika is my daughter. She was
Malika is
just
the
doing
daughter.
testing from the other room.
I see, I see.
But I
Okay,
think
okay.
the other one is my mom. She's joining in from Pune.
Oh, all right.
अच्छा
AO,
जय श्री।
is it?
Yeah.
नमस्ते
Yeah.
आंटी जी, कैसी हैं आप?
I think she's on mute.
चलो, never mind. But a warm welcome to her
जय
too.
जय श्री also joined।
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. We
Hi.
also have Kuku, who is from our society. One of the most
Okay.
active senior citizens that I've ever seen. I can hardly call her senior citizen because she's younger than me.
How wonderful, how wonderful. So warm welcome to you, Kuku ji.
एक मिनट से आप भी बोलो।
Mona auntie, good evening. Mr. Ghosh, good evening to you. Mrs. Bhamri नहीं आई आज?
आ गई।
Okay, welcome to you. देखो आज मैंने आपको देखकर खुद ही welcome कर लिया। आज नहीं तो आप छुपे हुए होते।
मैं फटाफट आई किचन में से, मैंने कहा पहले मैं आ जाऊं।
Good, good. नहीं, मिस्टर भामरी आपको छुपा देते हैं पीछे पीछे एक्चुअली, यू सी।
नहीं, आज तो मैंने सेम लेवल पे रखा हुआ है।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, दैट इज हाउ आई कुड सी हर बिफोरहैंड।
Yeah.
मिस्टर खुराना, वेलकम टू यू। Okay, now I can see Kuku ji.
अभी तो 10 मिनट है।
10 मिनट है।
8 मिनट है मिस्टर भामरी।
अच्छा।
Good evening, Kanpuri.
Good evening. I am on the way. I'm just getting home. और हमने ऑन कर लिया वैसे।
Oh, how lovely, so sweet.
आधा हिल रहा, मैं क्या आधा मास्क लगा हुआ है।
सादा नहीं
आप आराम से पहुंचिए, we still have time, please reach आराम से।
No problem. नहीं, चलते चलते भी थोड़ा म्यूजिक का मजा तो चलते चलते भी थी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। Today we have a fantastic evening planned for you all.
So that's why I thought that bank 6 o'clock wherever I should be switched on along with you people.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल। Mr. Kapoor, good evening, welcome. Mr. Sai, good evening, welcome.
मुझे अदिति से ना दे कविता दी हैं?
नहीं देखी है, वो तो आएगी।
हाँ नहीं देखी अदिति ने।
Good evening, Auntie. I'm sorry, आपके उस पे नाम नहीं लिखा हुआ, so I can't make out.
I am Ranjit's mother-in-law, Navneet's mom.
Okay, great, great. So warm welcome to you too, and a pleasure to have you on Mo TV.
Thank you so much.
Ranjit, you are hidden right behind the mic, so you'll just have to move your angle a bit so that we can see you also.
Yeah,
that's
is this
good.
okay?
Wait, I can't see you. Just once. I don't know what's happened. ये किसकी हरीश जी आप अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक आपको वो हटानी पड़ेगी. मिस्टर हरीश. मिस्टर खुराना आपकी स्क्रीन शेयर हो रही है. You will just have to move that. Yeah, thank you. Good evening, Mr. Bhattacharya. How are you?
You're on mute.
Sorry, we will just begin in another 2-3 minutes. Hi, Prithvi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? And I'm glad that you're here, and whatever that I've read about you is really fantastic. And I'm really looking forward to this evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Even I'm quite excited. Thanks.
Yeah, and you've done a lot. I will just be speaking about you. So rest, you can share your own story with them as you start with your program. Mr. Khurana, we can't hear you.
What I have to do, I don't know.
Oh, now we can hear you. No, now we are good. Beach mein you were sharing your screen. Now we are perfectly good. Everything
Okay,
is back
thank
into
you,
order.
thank you.
Good evening, Mr. Narhari. I can't see you, but a warm welcome to you. I don't know if you can hear me, but good to have you.
इधर लगाओ देखो क्या हो गया रूम लगाओ ना
Richa, good to see you on Mo TV for a change. And I'm glad that you've joined in because today is going to be a fantastic show. So I'm glad that you all could join in. Richa is our HR head and hi. Yeah, I'm glad that you could. Mrs. Mehta, good evening to you and welcome. Yeah, I can see the father and son duo having a good time together, waiting for the program to start.
Yeah.
So
It's so nice. It's so nice to see so many smiling faces on the screen. We've got it out there. All the faces
you've got the
are on the
grid.
thing.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, you can see the grid. Fantastic. That's
And
the best way to see everyone.
We've got it on a big screen so we can see
Oh,
everybody, which is
wow,
really nice.
that is fantastic. I have to see it on my laptop, and I always kind of think that I wish I could see it on a bigger screen.
Yeah.
But so you will be able to see everyone's reactions, and you can see how they are, kind of enjoying the show. So I'm glad you have that all
So
set.
we have 25 tiles on the screen right
Yes.
now, which is really
Right
awesome.
now, we have 27 people right now. Everybody's really waiting for your show, and Actually, I usually just wait for a few minutes, though we
Sure,
start
sure.
at 6, but we wait till about 6:10 so that, more and more people can join in and they do
No,
not miss
absolutely.
the show. So that is why the initial part is just the welcoming and since everybody here now knows everybody quite a bit, so everybody looks forward to saying hello to everyone. Today, they all are maintaining it that probably they'll start speaking after the show. So like I've
And
been
on the
saying,
show,
Hanji,
and on the
Hanji.
show, I think we are having on the show, we are having the old people there. Generally, the younger crowd, prefer to hear the music. But I think the old who are young also by heart would certainly like to enjoy the music this evening.
No, absolutely, sir. And I think you'll see today that music actually spans across different ages.
And you make us further young.
Absolutely, absolutely. I think
Thank
we'll have to learn from you about how to become young like this.
Oh, I think after music, you will find us dancing on the floor itself.
Hope to see that.
Let me begin now. So good evening to everyone and a very warm welcome to Mo TV. And as usual, it's great to see you all here. And like I said, today being a Saturday evening, it's going to be a rocking show and we are really looking forward to it. And I can see by the strength that everybody is really looking forward to the evening. And I'm sure you all won't be disappointed. And we have a very young talent. It's a father-son duo, and you'll see some, new things coming up here. So, so just to begin, let me just say a few things which I've just penned down. Caressing the keys of piano is more than a mechanical gesture. It is a form of expression as important as speech. It's like learning to read and write. And like every other form of music, it becomes your own refuge. Though we might take it for granted now, the invention of the piano dramatically altered the musical landscape back in 1700. It became an integral part in music because of its incredible power and versatility. And music has never been the same ever since. So today, on this delightful evening, that is a Saturday evening, I'm supremely happy to have with us a wonderful pianist, a passionate instrumentalist, and an exemplary composer who started his own studio when he was only in his 10th grade. And now he will be performing for the first time live on this platform of Mo TV. I feel extremely happy to have with us today Prithvi Oak, who will be accompanied by none other than his own father, Mr. Ranjit Oak, who has indescribable talent and he's a vocalist. So please welcome the father-son duo, Prithvi Oak and Mr. Ranjit Oak. So I'm warm welcome to you, to both of you, and we are really looking forward to this evening of this young talent. Of this young talent performing for us, and I am really very, very impressed by the fact that at such a young age, he has done so many things, and God bless him and wish him much more success. So over to you, Mr. Ranjit and Prithvi. And I am not going to describe the songs and all. I will leave it up to you and to take the show forward.
Thank you so much, Ritu. This is super exciting for us. It's the first time that we are performing as a father-son duo. But I'm just going to give you a little quick background. Prithvi has been, playing music for many years now, learning the piano, plays the guitar, plays the tabla, multiple instruments, and also is into composing some music. He's an active part of our music circles here. But I think the most exciting thing for me, and as a parent you will agree, is he takes interest in songs that we love, which is not just the new songs, but also the older genre of songs. तो आज के जो गाने हमने सिलेक्ट किए हैं वो सारे ओल्ड बॉलीवुड वाले गाने हैं। पहली बार पृथ्वी ने इन गानों को पहली बार आई थिंक कल या परसों सुना, जब मैंने उससे कहा कि ये वाले गाने हमने गाने हैं करके। So if there are any mistakes, please don't mind it. It's a live show. We are just here to have some fun. I think what we enjoy the most is to share music with everybody around. We play with multiple age groups across, and I'm most excited because I've seen some of the recordings of More TV, gatherings. And this active, lively group is somebody that we'd love to sing to. We have a few songs prepared. We'll also take up the challenge of trying to take a couple of requests if any of you have requests. And in between songs, I'll just tell you the name of the song. I want folks from the group to tell me who the singer is and what movie it's from. And if you can tell me what year it is from.
Fantastic, but let me just pre-warn you that we have singers in our group who know practically every song that's been sung in the retro era, and you will come to know as you start off. I won't divulge this thing right now. So
Okay, so before everybody goes on mute or decides to listen in, the first song is a little lively song. The song is called Phoolon Ke Rang Se.
wow.
सिंगर गेस कीजिए, बताइए कौन है, कौन सी पिक्चर का गाना है ये फूलों के रंग से?
ओ वेरी इजी, किशोर कुमार इन प्रेम पुजारी।
एक्सेलेंट। और किस पे फिल्माया गया है ये?
देवानंद एंड जाहिदा।
एक्सेलेंट। और कौन से साल में ये पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी?
65
नहीं। देखिए थोड़े तो टफ क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछूंगा।
बिल्कुल पूछो। 69।
Close. You're getting close. It was 1970.
Okay. 69.
Sorry, 65 was Guide.
That's right.
And this song is written by poet Neeraj.
That's awesome. That is correct.
So, like I told you, we have very talented elders also here.
This is going to be fun.
Exactly. So, before you ask the question, you will have the answer right in front of you.
Buzzer round में जीतेंगे सब.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Buzzer round.
ठीक है, let's go with the first song. Yeah. Can you play something? एक बार play कीजिए. Ritu, can you hear the piano?
Yes, we can. Very clear.
फूलों के रंग से दिल की कलम से तुझको लिखी रोज पाती, कैसे बताऊं किस तरह से पल पल मुझे तू सताती, तेरे ही सपने लेकर के सोया, तेरी ही यादों में जागा, तेरे ख्यालों में उलझा रहा यूं जैसे कि माला में धागा। हाँ, बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई बार। हाँ, इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई बार। सांसों की सरगम धड़कन की वीणा, सपनों की गीतांजलि तू, मन की गली में महके जो हरदम ऐसी जूही की कली तू। छोटा सफर हो लंबा सफर हो सूनी डगर हो या मेला, या तू आए मन हो जाए भीड़ के बीच अकेला। हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। पूरब हो पश्चिम उत्तर हो दक्षिण, तू हर जगह मुस्कुराए। जितना भी जाऊं मैं दूर तुझसे, उतनी ही तू पास आए। आंधी ने रोका, पानी ने टोका, दुनिया ने हंसकर पुकारा। तस्वीर तेरी लेकिन लिए मैं कर आया सबसे किनारा। हाँ बादल बिजली चंदन पानी जैसा अपना प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। हाँ इतना मधुर इतना मधुर तेरा मेरा प्यार लेना होगा जन्म हमें कई कई बार। Thank you.
Wow, that was amazing, beautiful.
Wow.
Amazing. And you can hear by the applause how much everybody has loved it. So, and in fact, I'm so impressed with Prithvi's talent of, playing so many instruments. So I wish next time we can just hear him playing all the instruments that he is, the tabla and the piano, maybe a bit of everything. Maybe he can just give a demo to all of us. So anyway, definitely, and looking forward to the next song now.
अच्छा, अगला गाना है, इसका नाम है गुम है किसी के प्यार में। बज अराउंड शुरू होता है। सिंगर बताइए। मेरा फेवरेट सिंगर है तो ये इन्हीं के गाने में ज्यादा गाता हूँ। गुम है किसी के प्यार में।
किशोर कुमार।
मैं बता दूंगा सारा बाकी।
क्या बताना?
सब कुछ। ये पिक्चर का नाम है रामपुर का लक्ष्मण।
रामपुर का लक्ष्मण, दैट इज करेक्ट।
Oh my God.
रणधीर कपूर एंड रेखा।
रणधीर कपूर एंड रेखा, करेक्ट।
एसडी बर्मन।
और कौन से साल में ये पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी?
It should be 72.
72.
That is my birth year, by the way. I was born in 72.
नहीं वो भी शेयर करना चाहिए जरा।
तो पेश है आपके लिए गुम है किसी के प्यार में। Yeah, you got it? गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हो गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हाय राम, हाय राम। सोचा है एक दिन मैं उससे मिलके कह डालूं अपने सब हाल दिल के और कर दूं जीवन उसके हवाले, फिर छोड़ दे चाहे अपना बना ले, मैं तो उसका रे हुआ दीवाना। हाँ, अब तो जैसा भी मेरा हो अनजान, हो गुम है किसी के प्यार में दिल सुबह शाम, पर तुम्हें लिख नहीं पाऊं मैं उसका नाम। हाय राम, हाय राम, हाय राम। इसका एक ही पैराग्राफ है। Thank you.
Great, wonderful and beautiful song.
Amazing.
And you have a lovely voice.
बढ़िया
Thank you so much.
बढ़िया राणा,
Super.
Mr. Ranjit, can I request you to increase the volume of your sound of this
Sure.
mic, you know?
Let me do that. Hold on for a second.
Yeah.
Master बढ़ा देना. Yeah, just play something. Is that better now?
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. आवाज फट तो नहीं रही है ना?
नहीं, बिल्कुल
Okay. तो नहीं छोड़ोगी तुम मेरा साथ.
Super. Great song. मस्त.
किसने गाया है? किस पे फिल्माया गया है? मूवी का नाम बताइए.
I think Shashi Kapoor, but I'm not very sure.
Very right. Shashi
You are
Kapoor
absolutely right.
and Neetu Singh. Shashi Kapoor, Neetu Singh.
Is it Neetu Singh? Is it Neetu Singh or is it?
Neetu Singh.
It's Neetu Singh. It's not Rakhi.
ये स्केटिंग वाला है गाना, नीतू सिंह.
हाँ, स्केटिंग वाला है.
नहीं
वो तो शर्मिला टैगोर वगैरह वो
शर्मिला टैगोर.
वो नहीं, that is.
Okay.
अच्छा, मूवी का नाम बताइए.
गले लग जा.
हाँ, गले लग जा. Absolutely right.
शर्मिला टैगोर.
ये ना एक्चुअली हमारे कॉलेज टाइम की है, तो विल स्कोर 10 आउट ऑफ 10. थोड़ा और आगे जाओगे तो क्लीन गोल्ड.
आज की शाम ही उसी इरा की है. तो सारे जो गाने और सारे जो पिक्चरें हैं वो आपको याद आएंगे कि आपने मूवी हॉल में देखे होंगे कॉलेज टाइम में.
यस यस यस.
किसके साथ? You must remember.
I'm sure that is why everyone remembers all these songs because किसके साथ देखी हैं इसीलिए सारे याद हैं. So all the good old memories are coming back right now.
So पेश है वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगी तुम मेरा साथ.
Oh.
Ritik, can you just mute the other this thing because I can hear a lot of sound in the background.
Yeah, fine. Gaurav?
Done, sir, done.
Right.
Thanks, Gaurav. Just till the song is going on. बताओ. वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगी तुम मेरा साथ, जहां तुम हो वहां मैं भी हूँ. वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगी तुम मेरा साथ, जहां तुम हो वहां मैं भी हूँ. छुओ नहीं देखो जरा पीछे रखो हाथ, जहाँ तुम हो जहाँ मैं भी हूँ. छुओ नहीं देखो जरा पीछे रखो हाथ, जहाँ तुम हो जहाँ मैं भी हूँ। सुनो मेरी जान, हंस के मुझे ये कह दो, भीगे लबों की नरमी मेरे लिए है। हो जवां नजर की मस्ती मेरे लिए है, हंसी अदा की शौकी मेरे लिए है। मेरे लिए लेके आई हो ये सौगात, जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ मैं भी हूँ। छुओ नहीं, देखो जरा पीछे रखो हाँ, जहाँ तुम हो जहाँ मैं भी हूँ। मेरे ही पीछे आखिर पड़े हो तुम क्यों, एक मैं जवान नहीं हूँ और भी तो है। हो मुझे ही घेरे आखिर खड़े हो तुम क्यों, मैं ही यहाँ नहीं हूँ और भी तो है। जाओ जाके ले लो जो भी दे दे तुम्हें हाँ, जहाँ सब है वहाँ मैं भी हूँ। वादा करो नहीं छोड़ोगी तुम मेरा साथ, जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ मैं भी हूँ। जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ मैं भी हूँ, जहाँ तुम हो वहाँ मैं भी हूँ। Thank you.
Wow,
Beautiful.
fantastic,
बढ़िया,
fantastic.
Clean voice, very clear.
But these are absolutely evergreen,
so
huh?
much.
Completely
Thank you.
timeless. It's so good even today.
Thank you so much. अच्छा, अगला गाना जो है, अगला गाना is it's one of my favorite songs. I'm going to give it away. It's Kishore Kumar again, and I'm going to move to something like Mohammed Rafi in a minute. But the song is called "Tere Bina Zindagi Se Koi."
Again,
Andhi. That is right. Andhi is the movie. And what year was Andhi released?
71.
71, 9, close.
70,
72.
72, 9.
75.
75, absolutely right.
Okay.
लगती है थोड़ी सी और पुरानी मूवी, but actually release हुई थी 75 में.
Sanjeev Kumar.
Sanjeev Kumar, absolutely right.
Suchitra Sen.
Suchitra Sen and Sanjeev Kumar.
And Indira Gandhi was there as well.
That is right. अच्छा, तो पेश है तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई. I know during this lockdown, a lot of us will be feeling this about people in the house. Deep meanings है गाने के, गौर फरमाइए. तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं, शिकवा नहीं। तेरे बिना जिंदगी भी लेकिन जिंदगी तो नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं, जिंदगी नहीं। तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा। काश ऐसा हो तेरे कदमों से चुन के मंजिल चले और कहीं दूर कहीं काश ऐसा हो तेरे कदमों से चुन के मंजिल चले और कहीं दूर कहीं तुम गर साथ मंजिलों की कमी तो नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा जी में आता है तेरे दामन में सिर झुका के हम रोते रहे जी में आता है तेरे दामन में सर झुका के हम रोते रहे तेरी भी आंखों में आंसुओं की कमी तो नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं रात को रोक लो तुम जो कह दो तो आज की रात चांद डूबेगा नहीं रात को रोक लो रात की बात है और जिंदगी बाकी तो नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा तो नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं शिकवा नहीं तेरे बिना जिंदगी से कोई शिकवा Thank you.
My God, that was amazing. Absolutely.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Beautiful.
Super.
Absolutely awesome.
Thank you so much.
Super Chan.
अच्छा अगला गाना moving straight into the अगला गाना again it's Kishore Kumar and this is an easy one I think सभी को पता होगा the name of the song is चिंगारी कोई भड़के
wow
अमर प्रेम
absolutely right अमर प्रेम साल बताइए साल बताइए अच्छा सेटिंग बताइए
on the screen is Rajesh Khanna
73
Rajesh Khanna
Rajesh Khanna
On the river bank.
on a boat
boating that is right that is right
Yes.
below the Howrah Bridge
near the Howrah Bridge that's right and इस गाने की खासियत यह है कि इसका जो मीटर है या जो इसका टेम्पो है वो टेम्पो भी ऐसा है कि आपको लगता है कि water के as if the boatman is slowly taking the boat ahead and there are those waves lapping onto the boat so
right.
that's the feel of the song
SD Burman
that's right
no R.D. Burman
oh was this RD or SD
yes R.D. Burman
this was RD already huh? Okay
yes.
both are my favorite SD actually SD के गाने भी एक दो हैं बहुत प्यारे वाले especially I like his music but I love the way he used to sing songs
The way he used to use the folk music in it.
Absolutely, absolutely. So I absolutely love SD. This movie was released again in year 1972 as per Google Baba. मैं तो था नहीं तब, मैं दिसंबर में आया था ना 72 में. But apparently the movie was released in 72. So here's चिंगारी कोई भड़के. चिंगारी कोई भड़के चिंगारी कोई भड़के तो सावन से बुझाए सावन जो अगन लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए पतझड़ जो बाग उजाड़े वो बाग बहार खिलाए जो बाग बहार में उजड़े उसे कौन खिलाए हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का हमसे मत पूछो कैसे मंदिर टूटा सपनों का लोगों की बात नहीं है ये किस्सा है अपनों का कोई दुश्मन ठेस लगाए तो मीत जिया बहलाए मन मीत जो घाव लगाए उसे कौन मिटाए तो उसे कौन मिटाए ओ ना जाने क्या हो जाता जाने हम क्या कर जाते ना जाने क्या हो जाता जाने हम क्या कर जाते पीते हैं तो जिंदा हैं न पीते तो मर जाते दुनिया जो प्यासा रखे तो मदिरा प्यास बुझाए मदिरा जो प्यास लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए last paragraph माना तूफान के आगे नहीं चलता जोर किसी का माना तूफान के आगे नहीं चलता जोर किसी का मौजों का दोष नहीं है ये दोष है और किसी का मझधार में नैया डोले तो माझी पार लगाए जो ना डुबोए उसे कौन बचाए, उसे कौन बुझाए। चिंगारी कोई भड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए, सावन जो आग लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए। चिंगारी
खूपच छान. खूपच छान झालं.
I love the सीटियाँ.
Absolutely
खूप छान.
brilliant.
बहुत अच्छे, बहुत अच्छे.
Thank you. This is, by the way,
खूप छान.
I had asked
Loving this.
Prithvi to just play the chords for the song, but because his mom makes him listen to old songs on radio all the time, he also got the middle parts, which were the tang dang dang dang. So he said, "ये वाला गाने में अच्छा लगता है."
But उसका थोड़ा सा sound was little different actually. I think you missed a few notes somewhere there.
Yeah. अच्छा, अगला वाला गाना. अगला वाला गाना है. Did I miss some? Some non-Kishore I should do? Okay, I'll do some non-Kishore. Zindagi Ka Safar is also Kishore. Okay, hold on. Let me find one non-Kishore. Okay, one non-Kishore song, but it is a little later than this particular era. Is this okay? चलेगा? इसके बाद वाला कौन सा था? Acha, so the next song is by, you'll have to tell me who the singer is. The name of the song is "Ae Zindagi Gale Laga Le."
Wow.
Who's the singer? So let's give a chance to the other people to guess.
Colonel Sharma should not answer any question.
Colonel Sharma, you have already won the trophy.
Then I'll tell you later.
Okay, who wants to go other than Colonel Sharma?
I think Bhupender Singh.
Bhupender Singh.
No, he's a Maharashtrian gentleman. Hang on.
That's right.
He's a
Maharashtrian.
Balasubramaniam.
No.
No. Final. I will tell now. Suresh Wadkar.
That is right. This is Suresh Wadkar from Marathi land.
From Marathi land.
He's from my state, Maharashtra.
Are you a Maharashtrian?
Yeah, I'm a Maharashtrian.
I'm from Goa too.
Oh, okay, awesome.
And Ranjit,
Yeah.
tell me to compose the music, you will win it.
Who has composed the music?
Yes.
I have absolutely no clue who has composed the music. Is it by? Sorry.
His name is Ilya Raja.
Ilya Raja, that's right.
Yeah, because this is a copy of the movie Sadma.
That is
That's why
absolutely
Ilya
right.
Raja did it. Yeah.
So the movie is Sadma, and
All
When
the
was-
songs of this movie were very good actually.
when was the movie released? When was the movie released? 82 close. 82 close. Sorry. Anybody else guessing?
Google देख के बता.
The movie was released in 1983 before anybody needs to Google it. Song is "Ae Zindagi Gale Laga Le." Okay. इसके भी lyrics बहुत ही प्यारे lyrics हैं. I absolutely love the way the song has been written. Usually when songs are copied from the south, the lyrics are quite messed up because they just try to fit in जो कुछ भी fit हो सकता है वो fit करने की कोशिश करते हैं.
हाँ वो मीटर पे बैठते नहीं बट इसमें बहुत बढ़िया बैठे हैं.
इसमें बहुत प्यारे बैठे हुए हैं. Usually movies from the south or songs from the south converted to Hindi almost sound like a nursery rhyme being sung by somebody. But this one ये ऐसे लगता है कि हिंदी में गाना बना
I
था.
want to
original. Yeah.
propose a song, request for a song. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Yes,
Absolutely.
yes,
ऐसे वादियों में से आवाज आ रही है ऐसे लग रहा है, लेकिन I can
नहीं,
hear
I
you.
think ये I think this is Mr. Narhari.
अपनी जगह है. If possible, kindly accommodate.
कौन सा वाला गाना?
Which
Sorry,
one?
miss कर.
जिंदगी अपनी जगह, रास्ते अपनी जगह.
वो वाला रास्ते अपनी जगह, ये वाला. अच्छा ठीक है. We will try to do that after this. I'll have to pull out the chords because Prithvi has never heard this song, so we'll do it on the fly. ठीक है?
Okay.
Ready for this one?
How old is Prithvi?
Prithvi is in grade 12 now, so he's 17.
So much of old music influence, huh?
Yeah, we keep listening to old songs, but the other thing is that he's learned piano he's now at grade 8 piano. तो उसे कोई भी chords दे दो तो वो बजा लेता है, which is the biggest boon I think, because he can
very
then.
few children whose parents are very involved with old school of music.
Oh yeah,
their children do it very well.
That's actually my wife. She just listens to old songs. और गाड़ी में जब कभी जा रहे हैं तो radio station has to be old songs. So
my kids have grown up on that. Both my boys.
Yeah.
They'll listen to only the old music, and all their friends think that they're crazy.
But I think Prithvi also feels that the old songs were the better songs.
Yeah, sure.
And today
I think
the new
people will
songs
start objecting. We should get back to our singing.
Yeah, they've run out of songs now. They're just remixing the old songs, including the song that I'm going to sing right now. Okay, go for it. ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले. हमने बहाने से चुपके जमाने से पलकों के पर्दे में घर भर लिया, तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी, ला 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 ला, तेरा सहारा मिल गया है जिंदगी, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, हमने भी तेरे हर एक गम को गले से लगाया है ना, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, ऐ जिंदगी, ऐ जिंदगी गले लगा ले, गले लगा ले, गले लगा ले. Thank you.
Beautiful, absolutely, really wonderful. Sure, everyone here is really, loving all the songs that you picked, because these are all evergreen, hot favorites of everyone possible here.
Thank you so
and
much.
Otherwise also. And
what
in
was the
fact,
request again? What was the request? Sorry.
बाद में
request कौन सी वाली थी?
If you can.
हाँ जी, किसी ने request
कहना है.
I'll come to कहना है माँ. What was the earlier request?
वो that will be difficult. याद ना जाए बीते दिनों की. Can you?
That will be a little difficult.
Yes.
इसके पहले एक रिक्वेस्ट जो आई थी वो कौन सी वाली थी?
रास्ते अपनी जगह है सब.
बट जब तक आप लिरिक्स ढूंढ रहे हो मिस्टर रंजीत, Can I request Prithvi to just
Yeah.
a solo piece of his piano?
Play something,
Prithvi,
Prithvi.
can you do that?
Yeah. You want? Thank you. Just play your chord progression from your own composition.
रना ए मेरे दिल के चैन ओके
Oh, this is not a good side.
Thank you so much, Prithvi. That was really beautiful. And after we finish with these songs, we would like to hear a little more from you of how you began and what you started this studio.
Sure. I'm not able to get the song, so I'm just going to sing one more song from the one that we had already downloaded.
All right.
Yes. जो आता वही गाओ. जो prepared है, जो format करके लाया वही गाओ.
ठीक है.
हाँ जी.
Which one? ओ मेरे दिल के चैन. Okay. कहाँ पे है वो मेरे दिल के चैन? नाम है. You know the chords? हाँ? ऐसे ही गा लें. अच्छा ठीक है. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था लेकिन गाएंगे.
Great, fantastic.
Okay. You know the chords? Okay, play. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. अपना ही साया देख के तुम जाने जहां घबरा गए. अभी तो ये पहली मंजिल है, तुम तो अभी से घबरा गए. मेरा क्या होगा सोचो तो जरा. हाय ऐसे ना है भरा कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए. ओ मेरे दिल के चैन. इतना ही याद है.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, absolutely.
बढ़िया,
And
बढ़िया.
Thank you.
it's really awesome.
Okay, and now coming.
Saturday, level it.
Dara. Aliktu achi. No.
Okay. Okay, the next song is Zindagi Ka Safar. Singer बताइए. किशोर कुमार है singer, but movie?
Suffer.
Safar. And कौन से साल में रिलीज हुई थी ये मूवी?
73.
73 नहीं.
Sorry, 69 तक बनाई है ना उसने. 69 के आसपास है जी.
69 के आसपास. 1970 में बनी थी ये पिक्चर. Okay, so और ये किस पे फिल्माया गया है गाना? I think everybody knows.
Rajesh Khanna और
Rajesh Khanna.
Khanna and Tanuja.
Yeah, so this was
No,
Kaka.
I
This was
think
Kaka at his
Tanuja.
best.
I think Tanuja.
Sharmila Tagore.
Was it Sharmila Tagore or Tanuja?
Tanuja.
Tanuja.
Okay, I don't know, but
Sharmila.
I'll go with what you say.
मेरे जीवन साथी.
नहीं,
उससे पहले
ये वाला ये सफर मूवी की है.
अच्छा ये सफर वाला है तो शर्मिला टैगोर.
शर्मिला टैगोर है.
शर्मिला टैगोर.
ये पक्का शर्मिला टैगोर.
Okay, so पेश है. जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं, है ये कैसी डगर, चलते हैं सब मगर कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं. जिंदगी को बहुत प्यार हमने दिया, मौत से भी मोहब्बत निभाएंगे हम, रोते रोते ज़माने में आए मगर हंसते हंसते ज़माने से जाएंगे हम. जाएंगे पर किधर है किसे ये खबर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं. ऐसे जीवन भी हैं जो जिए ही नहीं, जिनको जीने से पहले ही मौत आ गई. फूल ऐसे भी हैं जो खिले ही नहीं, जिनको खिलने से पहले फिजा खा गई. है परेशान नज़र, थक गए चारागर, कोई समझा नहीं, कोई जाना नहीं. जिंदगी का सफर है ये कैसा सफर, कोई समझा नहीं, Thank you.
Wow, absolutely awesome.
आने वाला कपल.
So I think we can.
Okay.
एक बार Gaurav, if we can just unmute so that we can clap for them. They're doing such a fantastic job. Big round of applause. Hope everyone is loving the songs.
Thank you so much for being such a lovely and patient audience and getting all the answers to all the questions that we had.
I think we just. Back to Mr. Ranjit and Prithvi.
We didn't sing Aane Wala Pal? Okay, where is Aane Wala Pal? Is it at the start or is it at the end? Just give me 1 second. Okay, so there is one request. And the request is from my mom, so I have to sing this song.
No, 100%. Any song is welcome by us. Everybody is just loving this Saturday evening with both of you. And thank you so much for being here. And we are loving every bit of this evening.
Okay, so the last song of this evening is a song called Aane Wala Pal. Picture का नाम बताइए?
Hello.
Golmaal. That is right, Golmaal. And this is by the way my kids' most favorite old Hindi movie. We show them old Hindi movies, and this is the one that they like the best.
Amol Palekar.
Amol Palekar, that's right.
I'm attending this for the first time. Very good.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. अच्छा, कौन से साल में रिलीज हुआ था ये गाना, ये मूवी कब रिलीज हुई थी? Anybody guessing?
73.
73 नहीं. I know Amol Palekar always felt like an old hero, but
no, but this is closer to 80s, I think.
That is absolutely right. This was 1978.
Yeah, it's closer to 80s, I know. My college time.
Yeah, awesome. Okay, so here's Aane Wala Pal. Are we good? Yeah. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. This is especially relevant to the lockdown, okay, and all the trouble that we are going through. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है. हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, एक बार यूं मिली मासूम सी कली, हो खिलते हुए कहा खुश पाश में चली. देखा तो यही है, ढूंढा तो नहीं है, पल जो ये जाने वाला है. हो आने वाला पल जाने वाला है. हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है. हो एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, एक बार वक्त से लम्हा गिरा कहीं, वहाँ दास्तां मिली, लम्हा कहीं नहीं. थोड़ा सा हंसा के, थोड़ा सा रुला के, पल ये भी जाने वाला है. आने वाला पल जाने वाला है, हो सके तो इसमें जिंदगी बिता दो, पल जो ये जाने वाला है। ओ आने वाला पल जाने वाला है।
Wonderful. Thanks, Radha.
Beautiful.
Thank you so much. And
Thank you so
very
much.
for being
Thank
such a
you.
lovely audience.
Ranjit, this gives me a chance to thank you for the good music we have on the east side.
Thank you.
Sanjeev.
Thank you.
Thank you, Prithvi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you,
And
Thank you very
Prithvi.
much.
just to let you guys know, once the lockdown is open, Prithvi set up his own studio. He goes to people's houses, records a song for them, so that you can then send it to people that you love.
Okay.
This entire system that you're seeing, all of this system comes to your house, and you can record whatever song that you like. He makes the background track for you, so that you can sing it in a scale of your choice.
Wow.
And then sends it across to you. You can send it across to all your loved ones on WhatsApp.
Way to
And
go,
he
Prithvi,
calls
way to
it the Oak Studio.
go. Ranjit, you were playing on synthesizer, na?
Yeah, so he's playing on the synthesizer. He usually plays on the piano, but it's difficult to get that on Zoom.
Yeah.
So we have a full piano at home. He usually plays on the piano, but the synthesizer is just for his show. Next time we'll ask him to accompany on the guitar.
Oh, he does that too?
Yeah.
Very multi-talented kid.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Prithvi.
Do you sing as well, Prithvi?
He does, but he sings a very different genre of songs. He composes his own songs. They're in English, and they're all about what is relevant to teenagers, love and heartbreak.
Yeah, but he still follows this as well.
Yeah, he does.
This is where he gets the main core from.
Yeah, that's right.
That's where the good stuff
musicality
is.
comes from the good stuff. Yeah.
From the good stuff.
So thank you so much, and thanks so much, Ritu, for giving us an opportunity to be able to perform for the elders from Imoha.
Nahi, thank you so much, and it was such a pleasure having you here. But before I end this evening, like you said, Prithvi also sings, though he sings from a different genre. So Prithvi, can we have a few lines from you? Because I think everybody would love to hear you sing and play on that. So if it's okay by you. Yes, Prithvi?
He's agreed. That's an exception. He usually doesn't.
Wow, that's really fantastic.
Okay. All right. He's going to attempt a song that is even older than the songs that we've just sung.
Wow.
Because he recorded this track a few weeks back for somebody who wanted to sing and record this song, and he feels that this was one of the best songs that he's heard. So for the people who can recognize it, ये आपके बचपन का गाना होगा, जवानी का भी नहीं. Okay, go for it.
The song's called Ye Nahi Dare Dare.
Wow, fantastic. It's a beautiful, beautiful song.
Excellent song. Can't hear it.
Losing the voice.
Sound कम ही जाला.
Sound नहीं आ रहा.
Mic check. Can you hear me?
शुरू में आ रहा था.
Can you hear me now?
We heard the beginning, Prithvi, an awesome voice you have. I think there's a network issue. That is why the sound has gone down a bit.
Can you hear me?
Yes, but it's not very loud, but we can definitely hear you.
Very faint, very
No
faint.
worries. I only had a few lines to sing anyways. So
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Yes, now we can hear you.
We can hear you.
ये नयन डरे डरे ये जाम भरे भरे जरा पीने दो कल की किसको खबर एक रात हो के निडर मुझे जीने दो Yeah, that's all I have to sing. Sorry, my pronunciations are very off.
Just no, you sing amazingly. Awesome.
You're very good, Prithvi. Your voice is very good too. Don't let it go.
Better than your dad's.
Thank you.
Yeah, maybe because you're not, you're an awkward age. When your voice opens up completely, it might be a shade better than dad's.
Yeah.
In fact, let me tell you, even
he's
now,
already multiple shades better than I am. So
Yeah, and you
No,
shouldn't feel
even
bad.
now-
You'll feel proud of him anyway.
yeah, that's right.
हम उसकी
Awesome
तारीफ
boy.
करें तभी आप की हो रही है.
but even at a very awkward stage, you have an awesome voice, and it's really amazing. And God bless you and wish you lots of success with whatever you are doing. And we hope that you keep doing more of this. And we would love to have both of you on this Emoha Mo TV again. And in fact, Mr. Ranjit, you sang so beautifully, and all the songs were just like amazing, absolutely awesome songs. And I think this has been a fantastic evening, evening with live music from both of you. And I think, like I said, how the time has flown, we've really not known. It's already 7:10, and एक घंटा कहाँ गया है कुछ समझ में नहीं आया. So we would love to kind of have you and Prithvi. In fact, next time we would love to hear more from you two and play all
Thank
the
you so much.
instruments.
I really hope you guys enjoyed.
I am sure. I think, can we just unmute and have a huge, huge round of applause for both of them? They both were awesome, absolutely.
Only for
And I would request them to come again.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. We will be
So,
back.
Yeah. Was this
हमें
only
तो
for
अभी
the
कुछ
east
करने
side?
को नहीं है ना.
Was this only for the east side?
No. So this is actually just for the folks who've also logged in and are not connected with Emoha. This is on Mo TV, which is run by a company called Emoha, and all the friends that you see on the screen are part of that community. So
They're not from World Spa.
no. So a few people from World Spa, from the 60s Club, and a few people from Emoha. That's how
you
we
were in
got
World
it
Spa
together.
though.
Yes,
You
that's
were in
right.
World Spa though.
That's right. We will be doing a similar live show for the World Spa audience also soon.
Please, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Which flat are you in, Ranjit?
Thank you, Rana.
Which flat are you in, Ranjit?
We are in A21601. But thanks, Ritu.
Thank you so much.
Pleasure,
Thank you.
and thank you everyone for joining on Mo TV.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you, Ritu. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Ranjit and
Bhavji.
Prithvi.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu.
A pleasure to have you all on Mo TV. And like Mr. Ranjit said, we are an organization known as Emoha Elder Care, where we kind of provide all kind of services to the elders. And but in a very different manner. Please don't take it as a medical help only that हम सिर्फ बीमार उनका कर रहे हैं. We look after the elders in a manner that everything is facilitated for them so that they don't have to run around, and engagement and entertainment is one form of things that we do for them. And because of the lockdown, we are having everything on Zoom, which I think is a bonus because everybody is connecting to each other, and we are having fantastic people coming over and singing for us or doing something. So for example, today, like we had Mr. Ranjit and Prithvi, what talent, what an evening. Thank you so much for coming on to this and for taking out time, and all the elders who joined in, not only from Emoha, the other people who joined in. It was a pleasure having you all on this. And once again, a big thank you to the Oak Studio, the father and son duo, Prithvi and Ranjit. It was awesome having you here. We would really, really love to have you again and you know, have more of the songs and you know, Prithvi playing all the instruments. And next time we would want a few songs by Prithvi, whether they are English songs or Hindi songs, we don't really mind. I think all of us have really, really loved this evening, and it's been a fantastic weekend, I would say. And
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ritu. Thank you so much.
Stay safe.
My thank you. Do again. Yes.
Prithvi and Ranjit, just a last word. I've been quiet throughout the evening.
Yeah.
Mesmerizing performance. It's left us absolutely spellbound. I've totally enjoyed it. Staying quiet, just enjoying your music. And also, you don't sound like a Maharashtrian. Your Hindi and your English doesn't sound like a Maharashtrian. Like, you know, you're from there. It's very, very, I don't know what to say, but it was an amazing evening. A very, very nice evening.
My mom is from Jabalpur, so that's why my Hindi is a little MP rather than Maharashtra.
Okay, but both of you, father and son, awesome, awesome.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
I agree. It's been, you know, I think they all have stolen our hearts, and it's been an enchanting evening, absolutely. So from everyone's side, a big thank you to both of you. So thank you so much, everyone, for joining us on MoTV. And we come to the end of this session today. And I see you all on Monday at 8 o'clock for a physiotherapy session, 11 o'clock for a doctor's session, and 6 o'clock I meet you all with something entirely new for all of you. So till then, be happy, be safe, relax, have a good Sunday, and
bye-bye. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good night. Good night, everyone.